In this video I am going to show you exactly how to sign up for Vista Social and complete the full setup, step by step. Every screen, every button, nothing skipped. By the end of this video your dashboard will be ready to use. Go to vistasocial.com. On the homepage you will see the button that says Start your free trial. Click it. No credit card is needed at this stage. After clicking that button, Vista Social shows the pricing page. If you already have an account like me, click Log In at the top. If you are new, you will create your account from this pricing page directly. For new users, enter your email address, create a password, and click Continue. Vista Social will send a confirmation to your email. Click that link and you are in. For existing users, just enter your email and password and click Continue. Next, Vista Social shows you a short setup questionnaire. It says, your answers will help us tailor your Vista Social experience. Fill in your organization name and country. Then select what best describes you, whether you are a freelancer, agency, or business. Choose how many people are in your team and how many social profiles you manage. Select which option sounds most like you and how you heard about Vista Social. This takes about 1 minute to fill. When done, click Continue. Next it asks you to invite team members. If you work alone or are just testing Vista Social, skip this step. Click Continue without adding anyone. You can always invite team members later from your settings. Then select your preferred language. Choose the language you work in. After selecting, click the button that says Complete Registration. That is the last step of the setup process. After completing registration, Vista Social shows you all the social media platforms you can connect. You can see Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube and many more. To connect a platform, click its icon and follow the login steps for that platform. Vista Social will ask for permission to manage your account. If you are not ready to connect your accounts yet, you can skip this step and connect them later from your dashboard settings. I will show you how to connect accounts in detail in the next video of this playlist. And this is your Vista Social dashboard. Setup is complete. On the left side you can see every feature: create, calendar, inbox, automations, listening, reviews, reports, and more. I will cover every single one of these in detail in this playlist. Your account is ready. Everything from this point is about learning how to use each feature to save time and manage your social media professionally. That is the complete Vista Social sign up and setup, from the website to your dashboard in under 5 minutes. The free trial link is in the description, no credit card needed. Next video in this playlist is the full dashboard tour where I walk through every feature one by one. Subscribe so you do not miss it. See you in the next video.